Our test bench CR825 can test common reel pump like BOSCH, Denso, Durfee, and other common reel pumps. Now we will show you how to test BOSCH CP3 common reel pump. For common reel pumps, have test plans on our test bench. You can check the RPM, pressure, temperature, time, current, and ZME DRA in our testing system. And you can also check the standard parameters and testing parameters during the testing process. The BOSCH CP3 pump cable connection. The oil return. For oil supply connection. Choose the right pump number in the system. Then start. The common reel pump number, the testing steps, testing status, the speed, ZME current, pump pressure, reel pressure adjustment, and flow detection. You can check the standard parameters and testing parameters. For common reel pump, clear up, warm up, start test, zero delivery, full test, and efficiency. When the testing finished, you can check the testing results through our system. In our system, we form a testing report. You can check the testing results through the report, and you can also print the report through the printer. The testing report for BOSCH CP3 common rail pump. The CP3 pump number, brand name, testing parameters.